Hello students, today we are going to learn about the next topic in the chapter 3, that is classification of soils. Coming to the next topic, it deals with the mechanical sieve analysis, that is sedimentation analysis. This method is mainly based on the Stokes law. Here, a sphere of diameter d which is falling through the viscous fluid reaching a terminal velocity which mainly depends upon the buoyant weight of the sphere diameter and the fluid viscosity, where Re is less than 1. So, the sphere of diameter d will fall a distance h in a time td is calculated as td is equal to 18 nu h by gamma s minus gamma w into d square. This is a mathematical representation of the time td, where nu is the fluid viscosity, gamma s is a unit weight which is equal to rho g of the sphere material, and gamma w is the unit weight of the water. So this is the basis of the pipette method of determining the sizes of the fine soils. This method is very easy to explain, but it requires high precision to be maintained. And also the basis of the hydrometer method, which is a very complex to explain but very simpler to do. Coming to the pipette method, here we have to mix 50 grams of dry soil in 1 liter of the water and put it into 1 liter of graduated cylinder. We have to shake thoroughly so that the soil is evenly dispersed in the water as shown in the figure. Any 10 ml volume of the water will contain 0.5 grams of soil. So set on the beach allowing to start settling. At predetermined times, use pipette to take 10 ml sample from exactly 100 mm from the surface of the flask. So dry the sample and weigh the dry soil. So how can this be used to work out the particle size distribution? We have a doubt. So continuous distribution is carried out. Choosing a time for taking a sample is like choosing a sieve size. Thus, to find out the percentage finer than 20 micrometer, take a sample depth of 100 mm at time 4.57 minutes. How this 4.57 minutes have come? We know this relation. TD is equal to 18 nu h by gamma s minus gamma w into d square. So for nu w, it is the value is 1 into 10 power minus 6 kilopascal into second at 20 degrees Celsius. Gamma is taken as 26.4 kilonewton per meter square for many soils. Gamma w, we know that 9.81 kilonewton per meter square for water. H is 100 mm from the above, that is nothing but 0.1 mm. If you substitute all the values, we get 274 seconds. If you convert it into minutes, it is 4.57 minutes. If you want to consider for 2 micrometer, then it is almost equivalent time is 10 power 2 longer, nothing but 7.62 hours. So now we have to dry the sample and we have to weigh the dry soil. Weight of the soil in this 10 ml sample is same as weight of the material finer than 20 mm in 10 ml of original sample. Hence, say 50 grams of soil per liter, that is nothing but 0.5 grams per 10 ml in original sample. Say 0.3 grams of soil in sample taken at 4.57 minutes. Thus, percentage of finer is calculated, which is percentage of finer than 20 micrometer is taken as 0.3 by 0.5, nothing but 60%. It is calculated like this. Thank you.